What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm going to be showing you how to fix the scaling option that I've seen with AMD cards. I've had a couple people ask me this, so I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So it's really simple. I'm not sure if it does it with Nvidia cards, but I definitely could be wrong. I'm using my Radeon HD 4870. It's a really old card. It's only got like 1 gig of GDDR5 memory, I think. And I think it's 128-bit. I'm not sure, like 100%, because I've been using my 1050 Ti, so I forgot. Old card. For some reason, it's doing this with my monitor specifically. I think it's just this weird thing. And every time I reboot the computer, it also goes back to that certain scaling option. If you guys know how to fix that portion, tell me in the comments below. But I'm going to be showing you how to fix the normal thing. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, right here is the black bar. Not sure why it does this, but every time I boot it, there's my 4870. My computer looks kind of sick with it. I like the heat pipes. Anyway, so what you want to do is you want to make sure you have the Catalyst Control Center on your computer. Now, if you don't, you probably don't have the drivers installed, so I would recommend doing that first. There'll be a link in the description to their website. What you want to do is you want to right-click to get to the Catalyst Control Center, or you can even just go up to, so right here, you're going to do Catalyst Control Center, and you're just going to click that. And then it's going to take you to this, and what you want to do is you want to click on My Digital Flat Panels. You're going to click Scaling Options. Then you're going to take this slider here and you're going to scroll it all the way to 0, or the opposite way. Sometimes I've seen some people go to the opposite way and it does it better. But so yeah, as you can see, it's scaled. It actually looks better. So you're just going to go ahead and click Apply. Now, for some reason, as I said, every time I reboot my computer, it goes back to the scaling option. Not sure why. I don't really care. I can go back and forth. I'm not going to be using my computer that much anyway. But I thought I'd show you guys that. Hope you guys guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. See you guys next video, and peace out.